We are learning her name tonight. She is Christine Blasey Ford. She's a university professor and lives in this neighborhood, now making some serious claims against Judge Cavanaugh.
It's very brave of her.
The Jenkins family just learned their neighbor, Christine Blasey Ford, is the woman accusing Supreme Court nominee Brett Cavanaugh of sexual assault.
So we're surprised.
I think she, for some reason, felt she couldn't do it before, and she is now. And I think I'm glad she did.
Ford tells the Washington Post the alleged assault happened in the early 1980s when they were high school students in suburban Maryland. There was a party. She claims Cavanaugh pinned her to a bed and groped her before she could escape. Ford tells the Post, "I thought he might inadvertently kill me. He was trying to attack me and remove my clothing." Cavanaugh says, "I categorically and unequivocally deny this allegation. I did not do this back in high school or at any time." Ford is a clinical psychology professor at Palo Alto University. Her claims were sent in a confidential letter to a high-ranking Democrat earlier this summer, but she decided to speak out publicly after her name was leaked. Senator Dianne Feinstein said in a statement, "I support Mrs. Ford's decision to share her story, and now that she has, it is in the hands of the FBI to conduct an investigation. This should happen before the Senate moves forward on this nominee."
Personally, I do believe her.
Stanford law professor Michelle Dauber led the recall against Judge Aaron Persky, who gave Stanford swimmer Brock Turner a 6-month sentence for sexual assault.
Given these allegations, it's not even clear to me that Judge Cavanaugh can retain his seat on the D.C. Circuit. And so the idea of elevating him or rushing through a vote on his nomination in the face of these allegations is just nonsense. And it would be a slap in the face to all women.
And we tried to get a comment from Mrs. Ford at her home, but no one answered the door.